What's the benefit of a good adjustment from a chiropractor? To explain this phenomenon, let me do a little analogy with a train station. Now imagine the train station is a very well run. There are no interference on the tracks, and the amount of passenger that they need to be in any city, they get there on time, and all the passenger going there where they need to be. Now, when we look at the spinal cord, the signal that goes from the brain to the rest of the body and the signal that from the organs of the body go back to the brain are representing this passenger. If there's no interference, all this signal, they do their jobs, everybody's happy. The moment there is an interference on a track in a train station or outside a train station, the thing will not run smoothly. Until you remove that interference, there will be delay, and sometimes not all the passengers get where they need to be. So, as a chiropractor, the very first benefit you get from aligned spine, all your signal, they get to their destination intact. And that has a benefit that maybe you cannot feel immediately, but you will see it over a long period of time. Maybe you sleep better, you walk, you think better, your digestive tract works better, you're running, walking, performing in any duty that you want because your spinal cord and your signal get in there on time. Your immune system fights the disease that needs to fight, and your body needs to heal where it needs to heal. Thank you for listening to this audio.